Hello and good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Now so we will study in class 10th algebraic expressions representations of word problems. Representations of word problems. Here is the algebraic expressions of the word problems. Algebraic expressions of the words problems. Algebraic representation of word problems. So here is the algebraic representations of the word problems. Representation of word problems in form of linear equations. Okay, algebraic representation expressions of the linear equations. Algebraic expressions of representations of word problems in form of linear equations called algebraic representations. Linear equations are called algebraic representations. Okay, so it would be a representation. Suppose so given we have to write the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so for this we have write linear equations for two variables of two variables. Okay, so following two steps we will follow the two steps. First steps, let's say start here. So first steps, what we will do here, sir, identify the variables. Identify the variables quantities in variable quantities in given statements. Variable quantities in given statement, and suppose that let it be x and y in form of this. And the second, use the condition given in the statement. Conditions already given in the statement, so we will use the given statements or problems to frame the equations. Okay, to let to in the unknown x and y, unknowns x and y. So suppose that, so we will take the first of all, we will take the example. On the basis of example we will try to solve here. So example, suppose that example we will take here. Okay, first example, let's have examples of fractions become 4/5 if 2 is fractions became 4/5 if 2 is added in numerator and denominator. Okay, numerator and denominators. numerator and denominator. If however 4 is, if however 4 is subtracted from each numerator and denominator denominators the fractions become 1 by 2. The fractions became 1 by 2. So question is here that question is telling you that represent the situations algebraically and graphically. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Okay. So here is the solution. We will start the solutions first. Let's the solutions. Let's numerators of fractions between. Okay. Let the numerator of the fraction is x. Okay. Solution start here. Let's the numerator of a fraction is x and denominator of fraction is y. X and y, denominator and numerator we have let here. So then the fractions is x by y. So condition first we will apply here. Condition first. X by y minus plus 2 and plus 2 is equal to, it's a conditions given here that if we subtracted get 4. Okay, 4 by 5. So if we add 2, we will get 4 by 5. Then after the cross multiplications, we will get here 5x plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 2. Got it? So here 5x minus 4y, okay, plus is equal to minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So first equations we have 4y plus 8. So it becomes 5x minus 4y plus 2 plus 2. 5 2 is 10, 4 2 is 8. Sorry, it became 4 2 is 8. So it became 2. First equations and condition 2. Condition second, it's telling you that condition second, if ax by y minus 4 is always get 1 upon 2. So by cross multiplications, 2x minus 8 is equal to 2y minus 8. Sorry, 2x minus 8 is equal to y minus 4. So you will get here 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the second equations. We have got here second equations algebraically. So 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So both equations represent the equations is representing equations. First is here 5x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0, and the second is here 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is first equation, this is second equation. Now what we will do? Now in this equation, to represent graphically, we have at least two solutions. Find at least at least two solutions each for representing graphically. Okay, so here's first. Suppose that this is one, two solutions we will get here. First two solutions or three solutions we will take here. So y, here is the x, here is y is equal to, always we will write here, this becomes the y is equal to 5x plus 2 by 5, sorry 4. This becomes, and if we take, suppose that we are taking 2 here minus 2, suppose that 2 minus 2 we have taken, so value of y will always be minus 2 and minus 2, and the 6 becomes minus 2 and 2 and minus 2, 6 and 8, and it became minus 2. And if we are taking the value of, so y value will always be 3. In calculations, after calculations we can get it. And suppose that second equations, second graphs we will get here, 1 2 3, here is x and this is y. So y here is value always be 2x minus 4. Suppose that we will transpose here to 2x minus 4. So suppose that we will take here 0 to 6, here 0 to 6, for 0 value of x it became minus 4. What is 0? Substitute this value minus 4, and for 2 value of x 2 to the 4 is equal to 0, and the 6 value of 2, 6 to the 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Got it? So it becomes 0 to 6, and here now we will get the points. We have get the points. Here is the point A is equal to 2 3 2 3 2 2 B 2 minus 2 C 6 and 8, and the second points we have get here A B C D E F. So D is here is a point, so we have get here 0 and 4, 0 and minus 4. Second here is 2, here is 2, and here is 0 2 and 0, and the third is 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Here is point, we have got here points. Now represent these points, and graphically we will see that here is the graph representations. Suppose that this is graphs, and here is the this is y dash x dash 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the graphically we have represented its all value. Here would be the minus, this sign will be a minus, always be, this becomes a minus, and this will also be a minus, always be minus 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 minus. So representing these data we have got here 2 and 3. First we have got here 2 and 3. A became 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. Here is 2 and 3. X is 2 and y is 3. So here is 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. What is? And the second is minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2, x is minus 2. Here is the x line minus 2, and the y line is here minus 2 and minus 2. This is minus 2, and here is also minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2. Got it? Third is 6 and 8. 6, x is 6 and y is 8. So it became 6 and y is 8. So it became here 6 and 8. Got it? So meet this first line, we will meet here. So we will get here. Okay, this, and here we will increase first this equation. This is the first equation here, 5x minus 4y plus 2. This is 5x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. And represent the second equation, so we will say 0 and x is 0 and y is minus 4. So y is minus 4, we will get here minus 4. Got it? And second is 0 and 2. X is 2 and here is 2 and y is 0. So second is 0 and 2 and 0. Okay, this becomes, and again so we will take here 6 and 8. So 6 is here and 8 is here. So 6 and 8, this became here. So how we will get here? So 0 means that's a 0 and a 4. So if we meet these points, we will get here like this. So this. So here is the, we have got here these equations. Got it? So that intersect at points here, and these are the graphs represented. These graphs is said to be second 2x minus 4, 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So these equations can be represented under as a graphically, and can be solved here and represented in algebraic forms, algebraic representation form. Okay, thank you very much for coming. Once again, I am giving you my warm welcome. So don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you cannot miss the video. And I hope that you will certainly understood whatever I am teaching. Okay, thank you.